Have you ever heard someone say, "This looks very modern," and wondered what they really mean? The word modern is everywhere in fashion, technology, lifestyle, thinking, but its meaning is richer than it first appears. Let's break it down in a simple, clear, and useful way. The word modern means related to the present time or recent times, especially when compared to the past. It often describes ideas, styles, tools, or ways of thinking that are new, up-to-date, or advanced. Pronunciation: modern, modern. Part of speech: adjective, most commonly, sometimes a noun. When we call something modern, we usually mean it fits today's world. For example, modern technology refers to smartphones, artificial intelligence, or electric cars. A modern house often has a clean design, open spaces, and smart features. A modern mindset means being open, progressive, and forward-thinking. Let's look at some synonyms of modern. Contemporary, existing now. Up-to-date, current, not outdated. Advanced, using new ideas or technology. Progressive, supporting new ways of thinking. Now, here are some antonyms. Old-fashioned, belonging to the past. Traditional, based on long-established customs. Outdated, no longer useful or current. Here are a few real-life example sentences. She prefers modern furniture over traditional designs. The company uses modern methods to improve productivity. His views are very modern, especially on education and equality. Notice how modern doesn't just describe objects, it also describes attitudes, lifestyles, and ideas. That's why this word is so powerful and commonly used in English. In everyday conversation, using modern helps you clearly express that something belongs to today's world, not the past. It's a must-know word for learners who want to sound natural and confident in English. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.